Aslima, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making the tomato sauce that can accompany anything from mokli to filfil mahshi to a lot of other Tunisian food. So we'll be needing a tomato paste and harissa. We'll also need some fresh tomatoes or diced canned tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, some turmeric, and some a red paprika, whether it's hot or not, it depends on your taste, and of course some olive oil, um, 6 cloves of garlic, and a fresh pepper. The method is very easy, so we kind of going to mix everything together on a heated saucepan, and we're gonna keep stirring it until all the ingredients melt and stir together. After mixing all the ingredients together on high heat, I'll let it simmer as soon as I start seeing my bubbles for a good 20 minutes, and then I'll just taste it, make sure my consistency is good, and that's it. I just want to add that you don't need to add any water, just cover it and let it sit and simmer for 20 minutes on low heat until it's all done. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can always find me on Instagram and Facebook at Sehla Mehla.